Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, I am Adam Umar Nafada, a fifth-year medical student, and I do videos on medicine and lifestyle. And in today's video, I am going to take us through some interesting facts about medical school life. If you are new and you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscription button to subscribe and stay connected with us. I am starting this video with quotation from the father of modern medicine, that is Hippocrates, where he says, "Life is short, the art is long, opportunity fleeting, experience dangerous, and judgment difficult." He also said, "Where there is love for the art of medicine, there is love for humanity." As anywhere else, life in medical school contains both the boring and the interesting aspects. In this video, I am going to focus on the 25 interesting aspects about life in medical school. The first point is that medical students almost always are never satisfied with little they know. This might result from the bulkiness of the workload and the level of knowledge that others gather. Usually when you are discussing with your colleagues, you will find out that they know more than you know some aspects, and that is how it is. The second point is, no matter how intelligent individuals are, as medical students, almost all, they lack confidence in checking for examination results. There is a saying in medical school, "You never pass until you see it." And this is real. Next point is, many medical students will not apply to study medicine again. Possibly it is because of the stress that they are exposed to, as many medical students prior to joining medical school are not aware of how the beast is. One of the interesting points is, to criticize and be criticized is normal in medical school, and every medical student comes to realize that during his clinical rotation before graduating. Another point is post-examination stuff, which is common. That is, recalling what you were asked in the exams hall immediately after stepping out. Possibly it is because of adrenergic discharge that we are failing to remember what we read in the exams hall immediately. Sometimes memorization is the only way out, as in courses like anatomy, histology, and even embryology. Another point is, medical students can speak for hours in languages that are not theirs, like Greek and Latin. Some even use some terminologies that they are understood only within the medical students, not even other health personnel. The next point is, hard work pays. Hard working is one of the necessary traits that you require to succeed in medical school. So, hard workers really fails not almost always. Another point is, you will not realize when you will fare that body normal. One of the bad experiences in medical school is learning to live with hunger for long. Hypochondria, also known as medical student syndrome, is real. This is usually after being taught of particular diseases and you will start to feel symptoms of the disease. It is not happening to every medical student, but quite a good number of medical students do experience it. Another point is, immediately after joining medical school, you will never be as intelligent as you were before. Because in medical school, almost all the students are turned to looking for the cut-off marks that is about average of what will acquire them to proceed to the next step of their studies. One of the facts in medical school is nobody will teach you to change your handwriting. It is just that you will see it changing. And if it changes, it almost changes forever. Another point is, you will be able to read handwritings of other doctors. During medical school, you will come to know that having a minute of discussion with colleagues can benefit you more than being isolated to read for hours. Another point is to understand that it is not always books. Observational skills matters the most at some point, like during clinical exams and other examinational aspects that require practical skills. Timing our activities in medical school is necessary. Another point is to understand that organization is the only key to succeed in med school, because one can read widely without organizing, and at the end of the day he will end up gaining nothing out of what he read. And also, making priorities on our activities while in medical school is another necessary thing. Another point is to understand that you will not know the specialty you are going until you finish medical school, because whenever you pass through certain specialties during your clinical rotation, you will feel some are more interesting than others. So you will be having mind swings upon the specialty of your dream until you cover the whole syllabus. In medical school, you will realize that at some points your colleagues will help you more than your books. Another point is that sometimes medicine is more of art than even science because it requires apprentice. Come to realize that passion is the only key and it is the only thing that will keep you moving. At some points in medical school, you will pass the exams and try because some of your closest friends fail. The last point that I want to share with you is to subscribe to this channel. Hope you enjoyed the video and click the subscription button, like the video if it is interesting to you, and share the video with your colleagues. Bye. See you next time.